Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. We're going to do the RockPapa headphones. Now what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to use that with my Tascam DR40 because you do have a headphone out here that I'm going to use these headphones for. Excuse me, a line out, headphone out, so that I'm going to use these with, and that way I can kind of do the levels a little better. And if you notice, it's green, just like my logo. So we go ahead and open this puppy up. It comes in a nice plastic case. Ooh. Okay, in here. And here, it's in there pretty good. And here we go. All right, and on the inside, on the back, we have instructions. It says it has a size adjustment made to fit everyone. Well, I got a big head, so we will see. And headphone, it has a 40mm driver. I don't know what that means, but I'll figure it out. It has impedance of 32 ohms plus or minus 15%. And it has a frequency response of 20 to 20,000 hertz. Ooh, that sounds impressive. The plug type, of course, is a 3.5mm input, which goes into, it's kind of your standard mini plug. And the cord length is 1.5 meters. Uh-oh, I don't know what that is. But I'll put it up in the corner right here when I go ahead and figure out what that means. So right there. Boom. All right. So now we're going to open up the box, pull out the headphones, and, ooh, purdy cord. Alrighty, so we have pretty long cord. I don't know what 1.5 meters is, but that's, I don't know, 2 feet maybe. That's a lot more than 2 feet. 1.5 meters. I'm going to see what that is. So, oh yeah, you already saw the translation anyway. So, what it was over here, that's what it is. Okay. So then, what you would do. Test these things out. Go ahead and plug it into the headphone jack, which on the Tascam TR40 is right there. And see if I can hear myself talk. Ooh, telephone. Okay, that was my son, the college boy. So we're back. Okay, this thing works very, very well. I am impressed. So I think this setup is going to work and going to work extremely well. So that's about it for the unboxing for the RockPapa headphones. Now, if you're interested in these, this is the picture up here of what I saw on Amazon. And I do have a link down below. If you want to look at this or something like this, this would be a good start for you. So that's about it. And again, I thank you very much for watching. And as always, have a great day.